topic, that is the angular dispersion through the prism. So after the prism, we have the new topic, that is the optical instruments. Human eye is a simple optical instrument. Human eye, okay, sir ji? But the main motto of this optical instruments is to magnify the object. To magnify the object. Okay, sir ji. So write first topic, that is simple microscope. Write the first topic, that is simple microscope. Sir ji, simple microscope is a basic device that is used to see the small and tiny objects. Right? It is just a convex lens of short focal length. Convex lens of short focal length to see the small and tiny objects. Okay, sir ji? Sir, any device we study into the 5 steps. First is motto, then principle, construction, working if the limitations are there. Okay, here first motto, this one the motto, used to see the tiny objects. Second principle means ray diagram. Working means explanation of ray diagram. Okay, then magnifying power, and then the limitations. It means how we can increase the magnification. Okay, this one. Now write principle used. Principle used. Yes, Sarjina. In case of concave mirror and convex lens, image formation is same. Image formation through the concave mirror and through the convex lens is same. Concave mirror and convex lens both form the inverted and real image. Only one single case in which the concave mirror or the convex lens form the virtual and erect image, and that case is u less than f. That case is u less than f. This is the only case. When u less than f, this is the case when the concave mirror or the convex lens form the virtual and erect image. So only this lens, the single case, that we have to use for the principle of simple microscope. Okay, so right, as we know that is placed between the then the lens form virtual, erect and magnified image. Virtual, erect and magnified image. Okay, sir. Sir ji, let me have a convex lens L that having optical center O focus F, object AB is placed between the optical center and focus. The distance of object from the optical center is known as U. Here U is less than F. So one ray parallel to the principal axis. After refraction, it passes through the focus. Another ray we start from the optical center and it passed without any further deviation. So the refracted rays are extending the distance separation. It made not possible to intersect. So we extend them behind the lens or the same side of the object. So in this way, it forms a virtual, erect and magnified image A dash B dash. Okay, sir. So here object AB and the magnified image is A dash B dash. Okay. Magnifying power. Now write the magnifying power. By image over I to the angle subtended by object over I. So what is the ratio of angle subtended image over I? That known as your angular magnification. That is the magnifying power of any optical instrument. Okay, sir. Whatever the size of any object that we observe, that depend upon the angle subtended by object on our eye. Okay, as the object move away from us, as any object move away from us, okay, the angle decreases that the object subtended on our eyes. As the object come closer to us, the angle increases. So as the visual angle increases, the size also increases. ठीक है नहीं? जैसे मान लो जैसे यहाँ से हमने देखा वो कोट है, पर्सनल कोट है, वो जो फूल लगा हुआ है, यहाँ से मैं साइज फोटो देखा उसका, जब वहां जाएंगे तो उसका साइज ज्यादा बड़ा होगा। तो ऐसे क्यों होगा? बिकॉज ऑफ द विजुअल एंगल. So the basic motto of any optical instrument to enlarge the visual angle. Okay. For example, when we used to see the different heavenly bodies with help of the telescope, तो वहां टेलीस्कोप से अगर आपको सन की एक्टिविटी देखनी है, तो what we can increase the size of sun, increase the size of sun. सन तो सन ही इतना बड़ा, how can increase the size of sun? वो बहुत दूर है इसलिए छोटा दिखता है. तो we used to increase the visual angle. We used to increase the visual angle with help of telescope. हम पढ़ेंगे जरूर कि the magnifying power of telescope, but the telescope not magnify the image. It only magnifies the visual angle. Okay, sir जी. सन कौन करेगा magnify? Okay, sir. So here, this one. So magnifying power. Let the angle subtended by image or the object, sorry, let the angle subtended by image and object are beta and alpha, So m is equal to beta upon alpha, angle subtended by image over I upon the angle subtended by object upon I. Okay, so the angle subtended by object and image are small angles. Then small angle we can take theta is equal to tan theta. Okay, so we can write m is equal to tan beta upon tan alpha, equation first. Okay, sir जी. तो पहले आज मैं आर में पढ़ा हूँ, आर महीने बाद लग रहा है 10 अल्फा। ओके सर जी, बुक में लिखा होता है कि मैग्नीफाइंग पावर डिफाइंड बाय द रेशियो ऑफ एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय इमेज over to the angle subtended by object over eye when both are placed at the distance of normal vision या normal distance of vision, minimum distance of the distinct vision, that capital D equal to 25 centimeter. You know this one na, capital D equal to 25 centimeter. So we have to calculate the magnifying power when U and V are located at D, at the normal distance of the vision, D equal to 25 centimeter. Okay sir, so here this is the image E dash T dash. Let the angle subtended by image over eye, that is beta, this one beta. Okay sir, here eye is placed very close to the lens. So whatever the angle subtended over the lens, same as the angle subtended over the eye. Okay, जो भी एंगल है आपके लेंस से पड़ेगा वही एंगल आपके आई पे देगा। ठीक है सर, तो इस टाइप से आई प्लेस। ओके सर, and sir ji, we can take for example in this way separate figure for the object. Let the object placed at a distance d, then subtend an angle alpha over the eye. इंसर्ट ऐसा गिवन होगा आपको, ये ऐसे वैसे गिवन होगा। थोड़ा सा मैं करता हूँ, मैंने कहा इसके इक्विवेलेंट यहाँ दिया थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन PB dash equal to AB when placed at D, angle subtended is alpha. कौन है? नहीं है, जरूर। ओके सर जी, दिस वन, तो एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय ऑब्जेक्ट अपॉन आई, दैट इज अल्फा. सो m इक्वल टू 10 बीटा अपॉन 10 अल्फा मैग्निफिकेशन। देखिए ठीक है जी, m इज इक्वल टू 10 बीटा। सर देखिए बीटा ये आपका ये ऐसे एंगल, सर इस वाले एंगल ट्रायंगल ले लीजिए आप लोग, इस ट्रायंगल से लेंगे, इस ट्रायंगल से, एंगल दोनों सेम ही है आपका। सो m इक्वल टू 10 बीटा, ये लिया आपने AB अपॉन BU, बेस ना 10 परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस BU। सर जो अल्फा है इसको पलट के इंटू कर देंगे, 10 अल्फा डिवाइड करना है, तो सर ये आपने 10 अल्फा परपेंडिकुलर PB डैश अपॉन बेस इज B डैश, एंड बाय द कंस्ट्रक्शन PB डैश is equal to AB, so AB is PB dash, so M is equal to B dash O upon BU। ओके, ये हमने क्या लिया, D पर है सर आपका ये, M is equal to B dash O लिया आपने D, and let object is placed at a distance x from the optical center, so D upon x। Okay sir ji, as per the sign convention both are opposite to ray propagation, so minus d upon minus x, so m is equal to d upon x, equation first। Okay sir ji, fast। Sir, by the lens formula 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u। Okay, 1 upon f, सर हमने u रखा d पर ना, we have to place v also at d, to put v also at d, तो v कहा था आपने माइनस d। ओके, माइनस, सर u कहां पर हमारा माइनस एक्स का ऑलरेडी है, तो 1/f इधर प्लस आएगा प्लस 1/d इज इक्वल टू 1/x. So this value of 1/x we can replace in equation first. 1/x is equal to 1/f plus 1/d. So from equation first, that is m is equal to d into 1/x. d into 1/x is 1/f plus 1/d. So m equal to d upon d1 1 plus d upon x. Okay sir ji, तो m is equal to 1 plus d upon f is your magnification produced by simple microscope. Sir, that we have to use again in case of compound microscope also, the same derivation. Okay sir, so the final magnification produced by simple microscope is 1 plus d upon f, where 1 is 1, d equal to 25 centimeter, f is the focal length of convex lens. Okay, what happens when the final image form at infinity? Sir, when the final image form at infinity, so what should be the position of object? Focus. Very simple. So when the image form at infinity, object must be placed at focus. These both rays will be parallel. So image will form at infinity. In that case, this x equal to f focus. So in that case, if x negative then negative, so n equal to d upon f. This is the formula. So when the final image form at infinity, then n is equal to d upon f. This formula. Okay, sir. So when image form at infinity having less the magnification as compared to when the image form at d. When image form at 1 plus d upon f, उससे प्लस हो रहा है. And when image at infinity only d upon f, 1 कम आ रहा है. Okay, sir. Microscope. Okay, sir ji.